Hey guys, hilarious idea. I know it's my kind of whole lifestyle and shtick to be very relaxed and chill, but I thought it would be funny if I just pretended not to be for a little bit, like I'll just be everyone else on YouTube and just try to just have some kind of personality. So hold on, let me get into character here. Hey, what's up guys? WiLLo Davis here. I wanted today to do a little skincare routine. That's right. Picked up some stuff from Ulta Beauty. We got here the Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Peel Off Gel Mask for men. Funny how they have to decide that this one needs a gender. Apparently all the other ones I bought were for women. Who knew? Anyway, also we got this one. This is charcoal and black sugar gel mask and scrub. No specification for a gender here, so I guess I messed up with this one. I'll have to get a different one from the store. Anyway, gonna use these on my face now. I guess I'll start with the kind of scrub one, right? Because then that'll kind of prep my skin. And then this one should clear my pores because it's a peel off. I'm just gonna, rip them right out. So my first step is gonna have to be to wash my face, because this one I think you need to have a damp, clean face. So let me do that and I'll meet you back here. Okay, I'm back. My skin is dampened, it's clean. I'm ready to apply the first mask here, gel mask and scrub, Freeman, feeling beautiful. Okay, whew, first of all, cracking open a Zevia, not sponsored though. If they'd like to send me something, they sure can. Here we go. This says, kind of just, this isn't a peel off or anything like that. It's just a scrub and a gel. So I'm just gonna kind of work it on, leave it for a couple minutes, and then wash it off. Hate the washing masks. I like the ones that you just peel off and go to bed. Am I right? Ooh, this is exfoliating. I feel it working deep into my skin, tearing it open. Oh, hi, Dewey. So again, I got both of these things from Ulta Beauty. Ooh, this is something else. I really want it. It feels like it tastes delicious, but I'm not gonna do that, and I don't recommend you do either. Although, didn't it say something about sugar in it? That's almost asking for it, am I right? Okay, and I don't want to bother building up too much here, I guess. Jamie, what do you think? Jamie? Jamie?
Yeah?
Oh my god, did we switch roles here?
What?
Do you think I need to put on more, or is this like about the idea?
I don't know. Looks good to me.
It's very exfoliating. Would you like some?
No, I'm good.
I got some of the black sugar in my nose. Is that okay? You think?
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you.
You talking to me?
Alright, so I guess... is this the idea here? Let me read the instructions one more time. I can feel this sugar going up my nose. Apply mask to damp face and neck? I'd rather not. My neck's okay, thank you. Avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Add warm water. Okay, blah. Please, twice a week goes off. I'm sorry, I have to get this out. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my hands off, let this sit, and then we'll see where we're at. Okay, I gotta say, from reading these ingredients, it sounds delicious. Again, I'm not gonna eat it, and I don't recommend it, but when they're talking about this like coconut and banana and papaya and raspberry, it really makes me want it, but I'm not gonna do it. Anyway, this is not tested on animals. Seems, reading from the ingredients, all vegan. I think I've checked before. All skin types. Feeling like it's digging deep. Going to get all that dead skin off, and I just got a few more minutes to go with this. Then we're moving on to the other one. Okay, it's about time to take this one off. There's no noticeable physical changes in it. Not that there is supposed to be with this one. It's not like supposed to dry or anything like that. So I'm gonna go into the bathroom, start to scrub this off with warm water. I guess that's the idea, kind of get one final exfoliation in. And then this one, it's gonna take a lot of focus for me to not get it stuck in my hair and eyebrows and just all over the place. So I'm gonna put that on in the bathroom, off camera, and then come back and show you what I got going on. Trying to keep up the energy here. This is very unnatural if you can't tell. Okay, all done, all applied. I like to really kind of cake it on there. They say 5 to 10 minutes. It's gonna take much longer than that for this to dry, I always find. Partly because I just really layered it on there, which makes it much harder to get off, but that's okay. My skin can take it. Hopefully it just rips out a bunch of clogged pores and all that with it. Pretty easy application. All I have to do is just avoid all of the hair, otherwise it could very potentially just rip them right out of the follicles. I've never used this specific peel off mask before, but if it's anything like the other, like specifically like pore cleansing ones that I've used, it's gonna be pretty tough by the end. So I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's gonna take more than 10 minutes, I'm thinking, for this to all start drying up. So while this is drying, in the meantime, what's going on with you? No, a couple of people asked for skincare routines. I don't really have much of a regular routine. This is like a once in a while type of thing when I really need it, which, you know what, honestly, I really needed it. I felt like my forehead was starting to break out a little bit. My nose was all plugged up. I'm telling you, I cannot keep up the energy. I can't talk this fast. It just doesn't come out of me. Anyway, I highly recommend after you peel off this thing, you wash your face and then do a facial moisturizer. I find that very important. I got a Jack Black facial moisturizer at home. Jamie got it for me, not the actor, not the hilarious actor and musician Jack Black, but what is he?
I don't know. I just a line from.
Like it's the name of a company, and their facial moisturizer is great. I think they market it towards men, right?
Yeah, it's a men's.
If I don't understand the needing, yeah, the needing to gender all of these things, and of course they make this one look like action packed with like exploding volcanic ash on the front of it. And then this one's just like nice cool splash of water with a little hint of like freshness in the back there. It's so silly to me. Oh, keep the energy up. I keep forgetting. How's the... Look. Does this... Do I look like a YouTuber? Wow. Make a thumbnail. Okay, it's been a few minutes now, no sign at all of this thing drying. As I said, I really caked this stuff on, so I'm not expecting it to dry anytime soon. How did I do? It looks pretty decent. Got as much as I could without grabbing all the little hairs that are nearby. I cannot wait to see how this one does. It just ripping everything out. Aww. Oh, it's not gonna, I can't. It's a monkey munching on a squash or something. I can't show the camera because I have the lighting all set and everything.
It's a papaya.
A papaya must be nice. There's papaya in the mask. Also, if you've never done a peel-off mask before, I definitely recommend trying not to pick at it, and also don't, when it starts to dry, it feels a little weird, but don't start going like, ooh, and like scrunching it up because it feels weird. Just kind of try to leave it alone as much as you can, otherwise it's gonna like break up, and then it's gonna like get all globby in some parts. Just try to keep it a little bit still, and then also, wait for it to really dry, because if it's like mostly dry, but then like some of the spots are just like that are a little heavier, aren't completely, you're gonna start peeling it off and it's gonna still be wet in spots and it's gonna be sticky and you're gonna have a bunch of little specks left all over you. So just wait for it to totally dry. I mean, I don't want to say go against the directions, but like I really just let it go for a while. If you have sensitive skin, you might not want to do that, but mine's pretty good, and I just wait for it to be absolutely done. That way it comes off in one thing and you're done with it. Set it and forget it, you know what I mean? Okay, it is significantly later, probably like 45 minutes or something. Oh, you know what? That would be nice, wouldn't it? Okay, so anyway, it feels just about dry. It has been, like I said, a very long time. I hung out, gave Jamie a massage, she's falling asleep right now. This thing is plastered on. Someone told me the last time I did a mask, I should peel up from the bottom, and it's supposed to be better or something for my skin. I don't know. I'll give it a shot. I've never done that before. Hopefully that doesn't mess the whole thing up, but let's try. See if I can find a weak spot here. Ooh, this feels crunchy. Okay, alright, just the occasional little bip and bop there. Other than that, ooh, getting bleached out here. Ooh. Okay, let's see how we did. Feeling pretty good. I'm not gonna show anybody, but I like to look at the mask to see if it got any goodies off. Oh yeah, not too shabby. Pretty decent mask. It's not the most like really cleansing, tearing out one that I've used, but it's not bad at all. Would use again. Just gotta wash the remainder off here, and then as soon as I can, I'm gonna apply some facial moisturizer, not just any old moisturizer. Anyway, I can't even keep up the energetic attitude anymore. Great, now that's stuck like that. Wonderful, I look like a Who down in Whoville. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Gonna try to get into a schedule for uploading a little bit, not every day. Not that I won't try to upload every day. I try to upload as often as I can. Just trying to, you know, for the week, try to get a few days where I've got things locked down for kind of weekly uploads. Not a perfect thing I got going yet. Trying it out. I'm trying my best. Really working on things. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. WiLLo Davis, out.